The real estate world is incredibly competitive, with countless agents all striving to make their mark and get noticed. In such a crowded market, you need every possible advantage to ensure your listings get the attention they deserve. That's where SEO, or search engine optimization, comes into play. It's a game changer for real estate professionals. Think of SEO as giving your properties a significant boost in online searches, making them more visible to potential buyers. With effective SEO strategies, you'll attract a larger pool of potential buyers, leading to faster and more successful deals. Imagine this: when someone searches for a home in your area, you want your listings to be the first ones they see. SEO makes that happen by improving your search engine rankings. It's all about making your website and listings more attractive to search engines like Google, ensuring they rank higher. But SEO is more than just about attracting eyeballs to your listings. It's about attracting the right kind of eyeballs, those of potential buyers who are genuinely interested in what you're offering. These are buyers who are actively searching for properties like yours, making them more likely to engage and inquire. SEO helps you connect with these motivated buyers, leading to quicker and more successful sales, and ultimately, a thriving real estate business. Ready to make your listings shine brighter than a brand new kitchen? SEO can help you achieve that. So let's dive into the world of real estate SEO together and unlock the potential to stand out in this competitive market. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It's how you make your website and listings rank higher on search engine results pages. The higher you rank, the more visible you are to potential clients. Think of Google like a giant library. When someone searches for something, Google acts as the librarian, pointing them towards the most relevant and trustworthy books, your website and listings. SEO is all about speaking Google's language. You do this by using the right keywords, having a user-friendly website, and creating valuable content. The best part? SEO is a cost-effective strategy. It's about working smarter, not harder. By investing your time and effort in SEO, you're investing in long-term growth and success for your real estate business. Keywords are the words and phrases people use when searching for properties online. Modern farmhouse in Austin or condo with a view in Miami are examples of keywords. To find the right keywords, put yourself in the buyer's shoes. What would they type into Google? You can also use keyword research tools to discover popular and relevant search terms. Once you have your keywords, use them strategically in your website content, property descriptions, and even your social media posts. Don't stuff keywords in unnaturally. Instead, use them organically to make your content informative and engaging. Remember, the goal is to match your listings with what people are searching for. By using the right keywords, you'll attract the right buyers to your listings. Content is more than just words on a page. It's how you connect with potential buyers. High-quality content is informative, engaging, and relevant to your target audience. Think beyond just property descriptions. Create blog posts about local market trends, neighborhood guides, home buying and selling tips, and more. Use high-quality images and videos to showcase your listings. Virtual tours are a great way to give potential buyers an immersive experience. Remember, people are visual. Make your content visually appealing to capture their attention. By providing valuable content, you establish yourself as an expert in your field. You build trust with potential clients and encourage them to choose you as their realtor. Section 5. Mobile-friendly. Reach buyers on the go. In today's world, people are constantly on their phones, whether they're commuting, at work, or relaxing at home. Make sure your website is mobile-friendly so potential buyers can easily browse your listings on any device at any time. A mobile-friendly website automatically adjusts to different screen sizes, ensuring that your content looks great on smartphones, tablets, and even smaller screens. It loads quickly and provides a seamless user experience on smartphones and tablets, which is crucial for keeping potential buyers engaged. Test your website on different devices to ensure it's mobile-friendly. This includes checking for ease of navigation, readability, and overall functionality. If it's not, consider investing in a responsive website design. A responsive design adapts to the user's device, providing an optimal viewing experience. This will make it easy for potential buyers to find and contact you, no matter where they are. They can call, email, or even chat with you directly from their mobile device. Remember, a positive user experience can be the difference between a missed opportunity and a closed deal. A smooth, intuitive mobile experience can significantly increase your chances of converting visitors into clients. Make sure you're making the best first impression with a mobile-friendly website. It's often the first point of contact potential buyers have with your business, so make it count. Section 6. Local SEO dominate your neighborhood. Local SEO is crucial for real estate agents. It helps you target buyers in specific geographic locations. This means more qualified leads and a higher chance of closing deals. Claim and optimize your Google My Business listing. This ensures your business information is accurate and up-to-date on Google Maps and local search results. Use local keywords in your website content and meta descriptions. For example, if you're targeting buyers in Austin, Texas, use keywords like homes for sale in Austin or Austin real estate agent. By focusing on local SEO, you'll attract buyers who are actively searching for properties in your area. This means less time chasing dead-end leads and more time closing deals. Section 7. The power of pictures. Showcasing your listings. Pictures are worth 1,000 words, especially in real estate. High-quality photos are essential for attracting buyers and showcasing your listings in the best light. Use professional photography for all your listings. Professional photographers have the experience and equipment to capture stunning images that highlight your property's best features. Highlight the best features of each room. Capture spacious living areas, updated kitchens, luxurious bathrooms, and inviting outdoor spaces. Use natural light whenever possible to create a warm and welcoming ambiance. Remember, your photos are the first impression potential buyers have of your listings. Make them count with stunning visuals that capture their attention and spark their interest. Section 8. Social media. Amplify your reach. Social media is a powerful tool for real estate agents. It allows you to showcase your properties to a vast audience with just a few clicks. It helps you connect with potential buyers, build relationships, and generate leads. Engaging with your audience can turn followers into clients. Use social media to promote your listings, share valuable content, and engage with your audience. Regular updates keep your audience informed and interested. Share high-quality photos and videos of your listings. Visual content is key to capturing attention and making a lasting impression. Write engaging captions that highlight the property's best features and target your ideal buyer. Captions should be informative and enticing. Use relevant hashtags to reach a wider audience. Hashtags help categorize your content and make it discoverable to those searching for similar topics. Join local Facebook groups and online communities to connect with potential buyers in your area. Networking in these groups can lead to valuable connections. Run social media ads to target specific demographics and interests. Tailored ads can significantly increase your reach and engagement. Remember, social media is a marathon, not a sprint. Consistent effort over time will yield the best results. Be consistent with your posting schedule and engage with your followers regularly to build a loyal following. Interaction fosters trust and loyalty, essential for long-term success. Section 9. Track your success measuring SEO results. SEO is an ongoing process. It's important to track your results and make adjustments along the way. Use website analytics tools to monitor your website traffic, keyword rankings, and other important metrics. Track how many visitors are coming to your website from organic search results. Identify which keywords are driving the most traffic. Monitor your bounce rate to see how long visitors are staying on your website. Analyze your social media engagement. Track how many likes, comments, and shares your posts are receiving. Identify which types of content resonate most with your audience. By tracking your SEO results, you can identify what's working, what's not, and make data-driven decisions to improve your strategy over time. Section 10. Partner up. Finding your SEO dream team. SEO can be complex and time-consuming. If you're feeling overwhelmed, consider partnering with an experienced real estate SEO agency. They can help you develop and implement a customized SEO strategy that meets your unique business goals. Look for an agency with a proven track record of success in the real estate industry. Ask for case studies and client testimonials to get a sense of their capabilities. Make sure the agency you choose understands your target audience and local market. They should be transparent about their pricing and reporting methods. Remember, investing in professional SEO services can save you time, reduce your workload, and ultimately help you achieve your business goals faster. Section 11. SEO, your long-term investment. SEO is not a quick fix. It's a long-term investment that requires patience, consistency, and ongoing effort. But the rewards are well worth it. By implementing the strategies outlined in this guide, you can attract more qualified leads, generate more sales, and grow your real estate business exponentially. Remember, the real estate market is constantly evolving. Stay up to date on the latest SEO trends and best practices to ensure your website and listings remain visible and competitive. Start implementing these SEO tips today and watch your real estate business soar to new heights.